The role of water flow in septic solid accumulation. Water flow is one of the most important factors that determine how well a septic system works. The way water moves through the tank affects how solids settle, break down, and eventually accumulate. Without proper flow, the balance inside the septic tank is disturbed, leading to faster buildup and possible system failure. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Key points on water flow and septic solid accumulation. 1. Flow speed matters. If water rushes in too quickly, solids do not have time to settle. Instead, they remain suspended and may move toward the drain field, risking blockages. A steady flow allows sludge to sink and scum to rise, keeping the system balanced. 2. Too much water overloads the tank. Excessive water from long showers, laundry, or leaky pipes dilutes the natural bacteria and stirs up solids. This leads to quicker septic solid accumulation and more frequent pumping needs. 3. Sudden bursts versus steady flow. Dishwashers or washing machines release large bursts of water. These surges stir settled solids, making them float again. In contrast, gradual water use helps maintain stable layers in the tank. 4. Hidden water sources. Groundwater infiltration through cracks or faulty seals can flood the tank. This extra flow disrupts normal separation, reducing the tank's capacity and pushing solids out too early. 5. Better water management. Simple steps like using water-saving fixtures, spacing out heavy water use, and fixing leaks reduce hydraulic stress. Controlled water flow helps bacteria work effectively and slows down solid buildup. Water flow directly controls septic solid accumulation. From how fast water enters to how much is used daily, every factor matters. Managing water wisely not only keeps solids in check but also extends the life of the septic system. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.